the first time ever using Italian ROCADO Shell Cordovan for crafting wallet, and after I will share my thoughts about it. Hello everyone, my name is Thomas and welcome to my lettercraft channel. Please consider subscribing to my channel as well to my second channel STR Handmade Shorts, where I'm uploading only these short vertical videos. It's been a while since my last upload, but you guys really keep me busy with your orders and some personal stuff is going on, so I'm very short on time. But today I'm back with a new video where I'll be the first time ever using Italian ROCADO Shell Cordovan for crafting wallet, and after I will share my thoughts about it and I will compare it to HORWEEN Shell Cordovan, which I'm using for a few years for my craft. This wallet design is not mine, so I don't sell it. All my PDF templates and actual craft you can find at my webshop strhandmade.com. And now let's check the crafting process. You just saw how this wallet was made of marble brown ROCADO Shell Cordovan. First of all, I want to mention I'm not sponsored by someone, and everything I bought for my own money at beltproduction.com. I touched only this single piece of ROCADO shell, so it might not be the best piece or vice versa, the best quality piece. This is my first and only piece, so comparison won't be super objective. What I could say about HORWEEN Shell Cordovan is that over the years I'm in leather crafting, I probably had a couple dozens of HORWEEN pieces, and quality of each piece varies. And this is the very big issue when you are ordering online and can't touch and choose pieces before. What I liked about ROCADO shell is its even thickness all over the piece, which is 1.6 mm. Maybe if I could choose, I would like to have 1.4 mm, but 1.6 mm is also not a big issue for wallets up to 3 layers, like this one I made in a video. For card holders, 1.6 mm is quite good. The thickness of HORWEEN shell varies piece to piece, and even in the same piece, thickness edge to edge can vary from 1.2 mm to 2 mm. Most common thickness in HORWEEN shell varies in range between 1.4 to 1.8 mm. But over time I learned to use it to my advantage and use thickness depending on what craft I'm making. What I also liked, the density. It's quite dense overall piece. With dense leather it is much easier to bevel edges on glossy side as well as flash side and make edges smooth and glossy, for what we all strive. HORWEEN shell density overall is not bad, but for some pieces I had, I would like it to be much more dense. I'm not sure if it depends on animal characteristics or tanning processes. It's for sure matter of taste, but ROCADO shell looks like it has a quite thick transparent glaze layer on the surface, which personally for me looks quite unnatural and looks like it is covered with plastic, as HORWEEN shell has a more eye-pleasant surface look, just dye-covered layer with a glitter. For sure, you must be extra careful while working with Shell Cordovan, but it looks like ROCADO shell is more prone to micro scratches, which I was unable to polish. But these micro scratches do not affect the quality of leather at all, and even after the first day of usage your wallet will have a lot of them. Here I would give a credit to the HORWEEN shell, as it has a smooth and quite unique look on the flash side, which opens possibility to make reversed shell crafts with unusual, different colors with various stains and even with the iconic HORWEEN Shell Cordovan stamp. I won't say you can make it out of ROCADO shell, but it's quite simple dull looking flash side. Here I can't say much about ROCADO shell. I'll make something out of this remnant for myself to test how it develops patina, but I know for sure that HORWEEN shell develops beautiful patina and with time looks just better. Here in Europe, for large size, which is around 2.5 square feet HORWEEN Shell Cordovan piece, you will pay something around 200 euros before value added tax. For ROCADO shell, which is made here in Europe, in Italy, of course you will pay less, something around 150 euros. So let's say ROCADO is around 20-25% cheaper comparing to HORWEEN here in Europe. Overall, ROCADO shell is great player. I really like the ROCADO marbled shells collection. I think I will add it to my leather options, and you will be able to order crafts made of this shell cordovan. Hope this information was helpful. If I didn't mention any of characteristics you would like to discuss, please leave a comment and I will try to answer. As always, all my crafts and PDF templates are at my webshop strhandmade.com or my Etsy shop. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel, as well as my second shorts channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!